When it comes to fitting your gates, make it simple, secure and professional. With our GATEMATE Gate Kits, everything you need is all in one bag. Each kit includes high quality hardware, premium fixings and easy to follow fitting instructions, designed to save you time and give you peace of mind. The GATEMATE Pedestrian Gate Kit comes supplied with two 14-inch medium T hinges and an auto gate catch, giving you a nice secure close every single time. For larger gates, choose our GATEMATE Side Gate Kits. You get a few options with these. You can go for 16-inch medium T hinges or 18-inch. You can either choose a heavy Suffolk latch or a ring gate latch, and then both kits will come supplied with a Brenton pad bolt, all of the appropriate fixings and the fitting instructions, giving you a nice easy fit all from one bag. If you choose our ring gate latch kit, 2 spindle lengths are included, so no cutting required if you've got a 45 to 50mm gate. If you've got a slightly thicker gate, a longer bar is supplied which you can easily cut down to suit. Easy as that. With GATEMATE Gate Kits, you get everything in one bag, complete hardware sets, premium quality and a professional finish every time. Stronger, smarter, easier, that's GATEMATE.